What do Christmas and fruit have in common? Besides holiday fruitcake, that is. Well, I have a story for you on this one. I'm Jeanette. Welcome to the Crafty Hobbit Rehab and Design channel. Now, I specialize in looking past the surface of vintage finds and visualizing what they could be, which brings me back to Christmas and fruit. This curated collection began as a series of forgotten vintage finds. It's a discarded holiday sign and forgotten fruit decor discovered during my studio searches. And in the end, they came together not as a fruitcake, but a stunning centerpiece. Hand-painted with my unique signature distressed checkerboard pattern, these fruits are formed into a collection with that rustic, cozy French country heritage feel from that rustic distressing of the checks. The gold gilt scrollwork on the riser is a perfect anchor for the setting and adds just a touch of luxury to the whole piece. Distressing checks in this style is my favorite thing to do. Each pattern and every square is unique and unrepeatable, and it makes every single piece uniquely one of a kind, especially in a collection like this. And it's something that it's a studio fingerprint that machine-made decor it can't replicate. And if you enjoy rescue pieces designed into collectible decor, I invite you to hit the subscribe button. And I'd love to know, how would you stage this ensemble? Would you put it on a dining table or maybe a kitchen island? Or would you put it on maybe a bedside table? Let me know in the comments. And what do you think about this distressed check style? Let me know. Thank you so much for supporting my work and supporting my studio, and I'll see you on the next rescue.